here we go. So, because people really love it when I say so. My plan was, after the Mali, get this GL1200 in, the cafe racer, and finish that. That was the plan. Put the scrambler back in the shed, finish the GL. But that's kind of changed. I went to see my buddy Eddie today. Just the nicest guy. He's helped me out so much with Goldwing stuff. But yeah, so I went to see my buddy Eddie today, and he said, bring something with a tow bar. So I went down there. Lovely. Thought he'd put me at work on the farm, quite honestly. And I bought this home. There we go. The GL1200. I know, they're not everyone's cup of tea, but I love them. So, got the battery on charge because that was a bit low. First thing I had to do was really, you know, I got to make sure the radio works. So there was loads of wiring and stuff in here. I'll kind of show you. I've got loads of panels in the back, speaker covers and bits like that, side panels. I removed the CD bit and the speaker. But look at that. How luxury is that? Got a little vanity mirror so I can make sure I'm still beautiful after a ride. Ooh. Can keep drugs and stuff in there. If I did drugs, I'm not that exciting. Yeah, so anyway, basically I thought, so fucking about, let's get the radio working because someone's been in here. I call those blue connectors. There's nothing I hate more than blue connectors. Just do it right. Insulation tape and blah 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 blah. So if we come around here, this red and this orange are connected to this wire, which if I pull, I found that in the pocket over there. So I'm reckoning put it straight on the battery. Turn it on. All lights and stuff going on there. Oh.
Well, I'm a cowboy, and on a steel horse I ride, wanted, dead or alive, wanted, dead or alive.
This bike, oh, it does have an oil leak. Let's get under it. Can you see my finger here? So, both sides, this bolt is leaking. But what I've noticed is, I don't know if you can see how the gasket bulges out on that side. The gasket isn't, oh, you can't see that, can you? No. Right. To the drawing board. Let's do this. So this is our drawing board. Now, that bolt, shit pen. One that's not permanent whiteboard marker. Here we go. So, that's our bolt, 8mm bolt, and the engine casing kind of goes a bit like that. That's the front of the bike. Now, what someone has done is installed the gasket so it comes down here and bobbles out that way. So oil is leaking all the way out here. Look at that. See? Sorry. But yeah, so that's our problem. So we've got to take cover all the timing belts, spark plugs, barrels off on both sides and turn it round. Also I found I have a fuel leak. This is leaking fuel, it's gone down here. It drips off this bolt here, and so that's got to be addressed as well. A couple of little holes in the exhaust, and these aftermarket, why does no one just bolt them on properly? I mean, that's shit, isn't it? That is purely shit. So we're going to sort that out. And the rear brake needs bleeding. Rear brake needs bleeding. That's why this box is off. We need to bleed the rear brake. There is no rear brake. So we're going to have a look at that. Fun. I reckon that'll do for this video. Kind of stripped down. I'm at the point I need to be to start getting into this. Don't want to go on too long. Join us next time. We'll get into that. So come back next time. Like, subscribe, share to your friends. It makes you cool. Keep going. I'm 5 subscribers. When this goes up, I'm 5 subscribers short of 800. I'd kind of like to make 1,000, but you know, if I could get to 800, I'd be a happy man. There we go. Take care. Bye bye. Come back soon. Come back soon.
Well, I'm a cowboy, and on a steel horse I ride, wanted